Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla's Stuff and Things. Today we are making chicken wings. We're gonna have some in the air fryer, we're gonna have some in the oven, and we're doing them 3 different ways. So let's get cooking. So I have about 4 pounds of chicken wings here. That's gonna be plenty for the family, plus leftovers, because that's what we like to have around here. And I bought them as whole chicken wings, cut them. So now you have flats and drums. Comment down below, are you team drum or team flat? There's always like people who like one or the other more. So let me know down below. First, let's go ahead, get these tossed in some oil, put a little bit of seasoning on them. At the end, we will toss them in our favorite different sauces. For our wings that are going in the oven, I preheated my oven to 400 degrees. We also are putting them on a baking sheet, but we're using a rack because, guys, you want them to be crispy. And if you elevate them, the air is gonna circulate and it's gonna cook them all over rather than just on one side. I also lined my pan with tin foil. That just kind of helps you not have as much of a mess to clean up later. So I went ahead and tossed the top. I'm gonna have to do this in 2 layers because I do have a lot. Put some vegetable oil on there. I'm gonna take some minced garlic and just throw that on the chicken wings. And then I'm just putting salt and pepper. And that's all we're gonna add for right now until we cook them. And then that's when you can kind of have some fun with it. My cameraman's over here taking coffee breaks. I'm trying to spray my baking sheet. Like, we don't have time for coffee breaks. Okay, I'm just taking Pam and I'm gonna spray the sheet just so, you know, the less stick, the better. And then I'm just gonna put them right on that baking sheet. We're gonna pop these in the oven, let them go for 20 minutes, and then we will flip them and let them go for another 20 minutes. And you got chicken wings. You're gonna fill this baking sheet up as much as possible, and I lied. I'm actually gonna add some seasonings right now. This is a new one. It's called King of Spices Peppery Wings. I'm super excited. Peppery King sent this to me. This is not a sponsored video, but they did send it to me to try out. So let's try it out together. We're just gonna take the whole lid off the top. And who doesn't like a little bit of spice? So this is 2 pepper spice, that's pretty mild. So don't get scared. We've got our seasonings. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven on 400 for 20 minutes. Then we'll flip it and let it go for 20 more minutes. It's like battle of the appliances. We're gonna see if the air fryer or the oven do a better job at cooking chicken wings. So I've never cooked chicken wings in an air fryer, but I'm super excited to do so. So you're just going to take your basket and you want to spray it with Pam as well. You don't want anything to stick. Then you're gonna take those chicken wings and set them right in the air fryer basket. You don't want to double up on anything, so make them a single layer. You're going to throw them in the air fryer. So I can tell you the air fryer, this specific air fryer, won't hold as many as like your oven. The kiddos are home. They are ready for dinner, and dinner's not ready. That's okay. As you saw on the screen, I actually messed up the time. It's 12 minutes. You take them out, you flip them, you put them back in for another 12. So we're flipping now. Okay, so they've gone for 24 minutes. Now we have to increase our temperature to 390 and cook for 6 minutes. And then the air fryer wings will be done. So there we go. It's a little more hands-on, but it is faster. So I have to cook, ma'am. Do you want to eat? She keeps telling me she wants to eat, but then she wants me to go sit with her. I took these out of the air fryer and they look amazing. Let me get my butter out of the microwave because we have to melt that. I'm going to put some of these chicken wings in here and get them going. And then we're going to toss our other ones in some sauce. For this specific recipe, I am using unsalted butter just because we have all the seasonings and the sauces, and so I don't want to overdo it. Are you so excited about chicken wings? And I like to buy the half sticks because that way you can like melt them, and I don't know, you can add if you need to. So it's super convenient to have it like this. So we have our melted butter. We're gonna take some of our wings, just put it right in that melted butter and kind of coat them a little bit. And then we can just put them on a plate, and we're gonna give them a nice dusting of garlic powder and Parmesan cheese. So I'm super excited. They smell so good. I love the crispiness of the air fryer. I have to say, like, I like crispy wings. Oh yeah, those look good, y'all. Okay, let's go grab the other ones out of the oven because they're yelling at us. We've got our fries and we've got our chicken wings. Shut up. So I actually want these to go a little bit longer. Okay. I want those wings to go longer, Abigail Lorraine. Yeah, I do. So you can reuse this butter, guys, and just add your, I'm using Red Wings, Frank's Red Hot Wings. You can add that right to your butter. Get your whisk. So you're going to take those. You don't have to dunk them in the butter first because it's already in here. And then you just coat them and set them on your plate. This is probably going to be, I would say, like a medium as far as spiciness. I would give it a medium. It's not mild. Sorry about all the noise in the background. Miss Abigail is doing her life skills. So we've actually been working on leisure skills with her forever, and she's finally picked it up. And this was one of the goals, was to get her to sit here, do her activities while mom was cooking. So I welcome her into the kitchen. I'm so excited to have her in here because I know she's watching, and she's a great taste tester sometimes too, even without asking. All right, these are the ones out of the oven. They look super crispy, which is, like I said, you have to use that. You have to raise it up to get that air circulation happening. And then we're just gonna put these on our platter. We might throw some parsley on there, some blue cheese crumbles. It'll just make it look nice and appetizing. This is our dry rub. So this is the one you would want to use, like a blue cheese or ranch dressing. I like to make my ranch dressing from the dip packets, and I actually put mayonnaise and sour cream in there. So it's a fun little twist to that. We're just gonna throw a little parsley on our naked, I'm gonna call them naked, even though they have spices, just for, you know, for good measure. We're gonna get everyone fed. They're all waiting at the table for us. So as always, thanks so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button. Comment down below, what's your favorite wing flavor? And we will see you next time. Bye, guys. All right, so I just took these out of the air fryer. We're so excited about dinner.